Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the animation to your text in CapCut apps. So for example, you can tap on your project, select your videos or just photos that you like to edit. For example, I add the black screen and select text to add the text. Alright, so to add the animation, you can select animation and select in, out or loop. So select this one that you like and change for the speed check mark and see for the final result. Yeah, it's so simple, it's so easy, and I think this video especially for those of you who are using CapCut for the first time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.